What's up, guys? Mr. Gill back in the house, back in Virgin Land. Where you guys been? Yeah, I know where you been. You haven't been doing your work. You had 3 days off. You haven't been doing your work. Well, some of you have. Okay, not all of you, but some of you have not. You hadn't got your test done. I had given y'all, well, not a test, it was a quiz. I gave you a quiz on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rational numbers. You ain't got that done yet. And for those who got it done and bombed out on it, I'm getting ready to give you a retest on it. You check your Canvas page for the code. There's no excuses for not passing this class. For those who got everything done, congratulations. Wow, I'm impressed. For you ain't got your work done, you better get it done. You better check your Power School grades. See what's going on. Check Power School. Yeah, check your Power School grades. See what's going on. I couldn't even do this week's assignment because some of y'all hadn't even got last week's assignment done. Now, I'm doing this week's assignment, and I expect you to get it done. You will have 2 IXLs to do. Check that. 3 IXLs to do, and 2 already to do, and you're going to have some problems doing your workbook, Volume 1. Do you understand the words coming out of my mouth? So let's get started. Make sure you're taking notes in this class. Today's lesson, simple probability. 11/18/2020. You know, back in the day, we didn't have cell phones and computers and all that kind of stuff in school. So we had to go behind the building and roll the dice, for some cash. You know what I'm talking about. Legal, not legal, but a little bit of gambling going on. Here we go. See, bro? Roll that die right there, baby. Roll that die. Or spin that spinner. Roll that die, spin that spinner. Roll that die, spin that spinner. Simple probability. And so I'm going to give you what probability means. I want you to write it down. Simple probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes is probability. Simple probability is very simple. We're going to keep it simple for right now, and then we're going to get into the hard stuff maybe next week. You just be taking notes of what I'm talking about. Do you understand the words that's coming out of my mouth? Let's get started. Let's say we're going to roll this die right here. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. And so, what is the probability? Remember, a die has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. What is the probability? What's the probability of rolling a 1? What's the probability of rolling a 1? That P stands for probability. What's the probability of rolling a 1? That's going to be 1 out of 6. That's all there is to it. Because look, you got total number is 6. Favorable outcome is 1. Probability of rolling a 1 is 1 out of 6. And if you want to turn that baby into a percent, let's use the old cell phone calculator. I ain't got time to be using my brains right now. And so here we go right here. Come on, calculator. Come on, calculator. You just simply do 1 divided by 6. That'll be 16.7%. That's all it is to it. IXL might ask you for a fraction, or they might ask you for a percent, baby. What's the probability? What is the probability of? Let's see here. What's the probability of even number? Okay, let's see how many even numbers we got. This is the even number. This is the even number. This is the even number. So, what's the total number? Okay, total number is 6. How many even numbers do you have? You got the 2, you got the 4, you got the 6, 3 out of 6. which is 1/2, and they might ask you to change that to a percent. You know what 1/2 is? 50%, baby. And so, let's see I'm going to show you how good I am. I'm always guessing right. Let me show you how good. Well, here we go right here. Let me show you how good I am. I'm going to roll this dice. I'm going to get a 3. Watch this. 3, baby. Doggone it. Okay, I'm going to try it again. Because you know, I got a 1 out of 6 is 16.7%. Okay, we're going to roll this dice. I'm going to get a 5. Watch this. Roll it, baby. Roll it. Roll it. Okay, well. All right, let's see. Can I get an even number? An even number. I got a 50% chance to get an even number. We're gonna roll this dice and we're gonna roll this die, and I'm gonna get an even number. Watch this, baby. Even number. Come on now. See there? There we go. 50% chance. Okay. What's the probability? What is the probability of? What's the probability of odd number? Odd number is 1, 3, 5. What is the total number? 6. What's the odd number? This is the total. And then 3 will be the odd number. That's a favorable outcome. That'll be 1/2. Change that to a percent. 50. And so, here we go. Watch this. I'm going to roll an odd number. You know why? Because and I'm going to win. You know why? Because I got a 50% chance of getting an odd number. Watch this, baby. Watch this. Bam, baby. There we go. See there? 1 is an odd number. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to get another odd number. I'm going to be on the roll, baby. See there? There we go. You see what I'm saying? Watch this again. I'm going to do another odd number, baby. Watch this. There we go again. 3 in a row. Let's do another one. All right, let's do it right here. Another odd number. 4 in a row. I guarantee I'm going to get an odd number. I guarantee. Watch this. See there? Here we go again. Go. No. Okay. You can't win them all. So, here we go. What is the probability? What is the probability of? What's the probability of rolling a 5? 1 out of 6. 16.7%. I guarantee. I only have a 16.7% chance of rolling a 5. Let's see if I can roll 5. Bam, baby. Don't. I'm good like that. What's the probability? What's the probability of rolling a 3? 1 out of 6. 16.7%. I guarantee I'm going to roll a 3. You going to doubt me? Here we go right here. Watch this. Bam! Well, I'm sorry for the guarantee. You should have read the fine print. The fine print says there's only 16.7% chance of me doing that. You should have read the fine print. You always read the fine print. That's not my fault. Okay, there we go. Everybody got probability going on? Remember what I said about probability. Probability, number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes, divided by total number of outcomes, simple probability. Yeah, you gonna have a bunch of work to do, baby. Let's do another one. Let's do a spinner. Y'all ready to do a spinner? Let's do it. What is the probability of, you got pink, light blue, darker blue, green, 2 pinks, and orange. What's the probability of orange? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probability of orange, 1 out of 6. 16.7%. Check it out. Let's spin that baby. Bam, baby, orange. Now. Okay, orange, baby, orange. Orange, baby. Orange, baby. There we go. I'm back. Here we go. What's the probability? Yeah. Somebody had a question. Okay. What's your question, sir? Mr. Gill, what does P stand for? What does P stand for? P stands for probability. Oh my God, what are you talking about? That's what we were talking about. P stands for probability. I can't believe you asked the question. Probability. Here we go. What is the probability of pink? Light pink. Well, let's just say pink. What's the probability of pink? It doesn't matter light or dark. It doesn't matter. So you got 2 of them. That's going to be 2 out of 6. Reduce that 1/3, 33.3%. IXL might ask you to change that baby into a percent. You can use a fraction as long as you got to reduce the lowest terms. And so let's just see, can we get this going on right here. 33 of that one right there, you only have a 16.7% orange. But pink, you got 2 of them, 2 out of 6. You got a greater chance of hitting the pink. Here we go right here. Bam, baby. Pink, baby. See what I mean? Here we go again. Pink, baby. There we go. Pink, baby. Now, there we go. Everybody got it. See what probability? Simple probability. Everybody got it. There we go. What's the probability? Here we go, partners. What's the probability of? Let's do this right here. What's the probability? Come on. Probability of green. Well, guess what? Who got a question? Okay, you got a question? Yeah, Mr. Gill, I have a question. Well, what's your question then? I don't see but one green up there. Really? You don't see but one green? Oh, yeah? Okay. Well, duh. That's your probability. 1 out of 6. Next question. Mr. Gill, where do you get the 6 from? Where did I get the 6 from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guys are scary, man. Halloween is already gone. You guys are scary. How do you get to 16.7%? Divide 6. You got a calculator. Just ask Google. Even Google. You got a cell phone, though. Just ask Google. Google will tell you. Oh my God, just ask Google. What's 1 divided by 6?
The answer is approximately 0.166667.
There we go. Just ask Google. Oh my God, you got a phone? Use it. You got a calculator? Use it. Turn 1 over 6 into a percent.
Here's a summary from Socratic. You need to divide 1. 1 divided by 6 equals 0.166666. 2. 0.166666 equals 16.66666. Percent approximately equals 16.67%. Approximately equals 16.
Okay, enough of that. Just shut up. Shut up. Stop it. Quit talking. I don't want to hear it. Hush. I didn't ask you all that. Everybody got what's going on. Simple probability, man. Let's get it done. You're going to have like 3 RXLs to do, 2 already assignments to do, 4 pages in your book work to do. Have them all in by Sunday. I'm putting in grades. You people ain't finished from last week. Get on the ball. Man, you got 3 days off, man. What you be doing? What you doing with your life, man? You got 3 days off. I wish I had 3 days off. You come to school Monday and Tuesday, or you come to Thursday or Friday, and you got 3 days off. What you been doing, man? Get it done. I'm putting grades in. Get it done. Okay. That's going to conclude our little assignment. Come on. All right, simple probability. Let's just roll one more, baby. Let's roll one more. Let's roll one more on this baby. Okay? Okay, now. If I roll If I roll a 4, I'm not gonna give you that much work to do. If I roll a 4, if I don't roll a 4, you're gonna have a bunch of work to do. Okay, you better hope I roll a 4. You guys ready? If I roll a 4, you won't have that much work to do. Remember, what about rolling a 4? You got a 1 out of 6 chance, 16.7% chance, baby. You guys ready? Go ahead and hope that I roll a 4. Blam, baby! Oh man, I rolled a 3. I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna have an overload of work to do. That's just the way it goes, you know. Gambling, you know how it goes. That's the way it goes. That's life, man. That's just the way it goes. Sorry, I gave you an opportunity. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna give you another chance. If I roll a 1, I'm gonna give you less work. Here we go. Bam! Oh man, you guys are unlucky, man. I'm sorry. This is meant to be. You're gonna have a bunch of work to do. So sorry. Okay, guys. Until next time. I'll see you guys in virtual land. Mr. Gill is going to sign out.